Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009. It is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin can be bought and sold online, and it can be used to purchase goods and services. What is Bitcoin Script? Before we get into how to buy Bitcoin, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin Script. Bitcoin Script is the programming language used to create Bitcoin transactions. It is a simple language that is not Turing complete, meaning it lacks several logical functions, including loops. This is done to ensure that no Bitcoin script can consume inordinate computing power and harm nodes on the network. How to buy Bitcoin? There are a few different ways to buy Bitcoin. One way is to use a Bitcoin exchange. A Bitcoin exchange is a website or platform that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin. Some popular Bitcoin exchanges include Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance. To buy Bitcoin on a Bitcoin exchange, you will need to create an account and deposit funds. Once you have deposited funds, you can then buy Bitcoin by placing an order. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate, so it is important to check the current price before you place an order. When choosing a Bitcoin exchange, there are a few things you should keep in mind. The fees charged by the exchange. The security features of the exchange, the user interface of the exchange, the availability of the exchange in your country. Another way to buy Bitcoin is to use a peer-to-peer, P2P marketplace. A P2P marketplace is a website or platform that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin directly from other users. Some popular P2P marketplaces include Local Bitcoins and Paxful. To buy Bitcoin on a P2P marketplace, you will need to create an account and set up a profile. Once you have set up a profile, you can then browse the listings for Bitcoin. When you find a listing that you are interested in, you can contact the seller and negotiate a price. When choosing a P2P marketplace, there are a few things you should keep in mind. The fees charged by the marketplace, the reputation of the marketplace, the security features of the marketplace, storing your Bitcoin. Once you have bought Bitcoin, you will need to store it in a safe place. You can store Bitcoin in a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a software program that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. There are many different Bitcoin wallets available, so you can choose one that meets your needs. When choosing a Bitcoin wallet, there are a few things you should keep in mind. The type of wallet. There are hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, while cold wallets are not. Cold wallets are more secure than hot wallets. The security features of the wallet. Make sure the wallet has strong security features, such as two-factor authentication. Make sure the wallet is easy to use and navigate. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.